Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to walk you through something that can seriously supercharge your workflow in TradingView, creating your own custom indicator templates. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to set up, save, and reuse your favorite setups with just a couple of clicks, saving you tons of time and keeping your charts cleaner and more organized. Let's get right into it. To kick things off, let's start by selecting the indicator you want to make a template from. For this example, let's go with a popular choice, the Bollinger Bands. Go ahead and add the Bollinger Bands to your chart, just like you would any other indicator. You can do this by heading to the top of your TradingView screen and clicking on Indicators, then typing Bollinger Bands into the search bar. Give it a click, and you'll see it overlay onto your chart right away. Now you can actually tweak settings. Maybe you adjust the period, the color, or the style of the lines to fit the way you like to trade. This customization is important because whatever you set here will be saved in your template. Take your time and set it up just right. Once you're happy with your settings, look for the template icon. It's the one that looks like four little boxes grouped together. This icon is usually found near the top of your chart, pretty close to where you manage your indicators. Think of it like a toolbox. This is where all your personalized setups can be stored and accessed anytime you want. Go ahead and click on that four boxes icon. You should see a little drop-down menu pop up. From here, select the option that says Save Indicator Template. Now this is the fun part. Give your template a descriptive name. Maybe call it Bollinger Bands, Swing Trading, or My Custom BB Setup. Whatever will help you recognize it later. Naming templates clearly will save you a lot of confusion down the road, especially as your library grows. After typing in your chosen name, press Save. Don't worry, this process only takes a second, but feel free to double-check all your settings before you hit that Save button. Now here, why this whole process is so valuable. Let's say you're analyzing a new ticker or switching between timeframes throughout your trading day. You don't want to be re-adding and re-customizing indicators every single time you open a new chart. Instead, with your template saved, grabbing your perfect setup is as simple as a click. Just go back to the indicator's template icon, the four boxes again, click it, and you'll see a list of all the templates you've saved so far. Look for the name you just created and select it. Instantly, TradingView will apply your custom settings to the chart so you're good to go. That's really all there is to it. Creating and using custom templates in TradingView isn't just a time saver. It streamlines your analysis and lets you stay focused on what matters, making smart trading decisions. And if you ever want to tweak your template, you can always adjust, resave, or delete them, so don't worry about making mistakes along the way. If you found this tutorial helpful, go ahead and hit the like button below. Drop a comment if you have any questions or if there's a specific indicator setup you want advice on. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more TradingView tips, tricks, and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.